and welcome back to another video. In this video, we will focus on the short I sound. The short I sound says if. Can you make that sound? Very good. Remember, Izzy Iguana. Izzy Iguana's name starts with the short I sound. Izzy Iguana. Now, let's try to read some words with the short I sound. Try to read them before me. Very good. Ring. Here's another one. Gift. Very good. One more. Milk. One last one. Fin. Great job with the words. Now, let's read some sentences with the short I sound. Remember, read them before me. Rick is sick and has a pill. Perfect. Here's one more. You can sit by the sill. Great. Last one. They win the big game. Great job. Remember, the short I sound makes the it sound like Izzy Iguana. Great job, everyone. Remember that I love all of you. And don't forget to read at least 15 minutes a day. Great job, guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.